What is up, ladies and gentlemen? This is Brandon back with another truck video here on Motor Nubs. We are in the 2001 F250 with the 7.3 turbo diesel, and it is metal to metal on the brakes. I have not done brakes since I sold this truck and then bought it back. Like I don't think the brakes have been done on this thing in years, but they definitely need to be done now. So I just pulled up to the old Advanced Auto Parts. I'm gonna run in and grab some brake pads and then I'll be right back out. All right, so we got some brakes. They didn't have the I don't know, the platinums or whatever. They had the golds, but he said the golds were the same exact warranty as the silvers or something. I don't know. Anyway, these were $40, whereas the golds were $90. You know what? I think these are gonna be fine. They're both semi-metallic. The ceramic were out of stock, which those are supposed to be the top of the line. I don't know. Please comment down below. Are the ceramic the ones that get your wheels all dirty or whatever? He said semi-metallics are going to be fine for what I do. Truck, it's a truck. I guess if they wear out prematurely, it's just 40 bucks. I'll put another set on. But comment down below. What's the difference? Ceramic, semi-metallic. I normally just always put the top of the line brakes on, but whatever, you know, it'll be okay. Or I put the bottom of the line like organic, the cheapos. They had some brakes in there for like 20 bucks. They were like organic. Yeah, they weren't even on like the good, better, best system. They were just the bottom of the line. But let's go see how bad these are. Hopefully it didn't scar my rotors too much because I have driven around a little bit. I don't know. Let's go see what the carnage is.
What are you doing, Brandon?
We're changing the brakes on the truck. Already did the intro, so they know what we're doing. But actually, we can do it again if you want to.
No, it's okay. We'll roll with yours.
Now, welcome to Motor Nubs. This is Brandon.
This is Peyton.
This is the 2001 7.3 Super Duty, 400,000 miles. Just did headlights on it on the last video, but video before that we did wheels and tires. So now we need brake pads. And actually, you can show them. We're using the finest, highest quality, most expensive brake pads you can buy.
Real silver. 100% silver.
Tell them about the benefits of using silver as the stopping material.
It stops super fast.
You know what? We're just gonna wait until we're not being pressure washed and messing up the audio.
All right, yeah, we'll cut back. Hey, Brandon.
What? All right, so we already changed the other side, and Peyton was a great filmographer and missed all of it.
Okay,
so
okay.
I'm about to pull this side off and put the new pads on, and it's gonna be great. And Peyton didn't ever know how to change brakes, so Peyton, tell everybody, since you know how to change them now, how do you change them?
Break it down.
Break it down. What is this?
That's your rotor.
That's a rotor. Yeah.
That's a rotor. Caliper. Pads are in here.
Pads are in there, yeah.
So pretty much there's two bolts to hold this caliper on, correct?
The caliper to the bracket.
The caliper to the bracket. You take those two bolts off and then you wiggle your caliper off.
It pops off
of the rotor.
Yeah.
And then the brake pads are inside. They're held on by two little clips.
Yeah, these brake pads just slide off.
Yeah, and they
some are different.
Pop up. Yeah.
Simple, right? And then you just put the new ones in, slap it all back together, and what's that called? That's called pad slapping.
We're pad slapping and brake jobbing.
We're pad slapping. We ain't doing no rotors because, I mean, they ain't in the best shape. Feel them. What do they feel like?
Oh, I got some grooves.
They kind of feel like a record.
Yeah.
Like, wonder what kind of music that would play.
They got some. Do that again, Ren.
All right.
That's a meme.
Meme it. All right, so I'm gonna get this, and we'll be back in a second. All right, so we're in the light. That way you can see it. Here's the brake pads that came off.
That's the new one. No, that's the old one. That's the new one.
No, these are both the old ones. It's just And
I was testing it.
Even wear. We were getting some even wear. As you can see, this one was down to basically nothing. Perfect time to replace it. This one still has a lot of life.
Oh yeah, that's got still a big old ridge.
Look at that.
Is that like a wear bar pretty much?
Should we put it back in there?
Yeah.
No.
No?
No.
Bad idea?
We're putting new ones back in.
Okay.
Yeah. But, how do you like that? Look at that.
I think they look pretty mint. Is that how it works exactly to do that?
Yeah, that's, well, there's a disc in between.
Is that exact representation?
Check it out. Whenever you get a slam on the brake, say you're, like, traffic's coming to a stop, and you're like, on the dime.
On a dime. On a
Yeah,
dime.
see, we need to put a brake pads in these dime and just...
On a dime.
Stop on a dime.
Stop on a dime.
Don't get my camera dirty.
I'm not getting it dirty.
You want to take a video? Oh gosh, you go get a video of the Mustang with no snow on it now.
Oh yeah.
It's so bad.
So did they pretty much already? Yeah, they know.
I already did a video, but there was snow covering it all. Now there's no snow. We're gonna lift the building up. What? Maybe.
I don't know.
Whenever Dad wants to do it.
It's mainly insurance, honestly, because you're not supposed to touch it, to be honest.
Oh, until the insurance comes.
Yeah.
Dude, this is a $10,000.
It's a $10,000 car right here. It's built.
Yeah, insurance needs to come check it out. Oh man, R.I.P. the Mustang.
R.I.P.
Every time I look at it, man,
everywhere. I can't even really get up in it to get like a video.
Who busted out my window?
Where?
Right here.
I don't know. Oh, this thing. This big old ginormous. Dude, the inside actually wasn't too terrible, actually.
No, the whole car wasn't bad.
Yeah, it smells really bad now. Well, almost have died in it. But yeah, it got a series of other cars over there too.
Yeah, I already showed them all that in the video. I just want one more RIP.
Yeah. Can I get an RIP in the chat, boys? Can I get a GG in the chat?
No, press F to pay respects.
Can I press F to pay respects?
Alright, let's put it back.
Alright guys, we'll catch you on the flip side.
Alright, Peyton said he was going to get this on first try.
Oh, you jinxed it. Dude.
I jinxed it? Did I jinx you? You said it.
Every time I always tell people I can get it first try.
Alright.
It's about to be a struggle.
Alright, it's about to be first try in 30 seconds, so.
Yeah. Oh, I can't even see actually. I'm ready to go light. Watch this, y'all ready? Oh, dude, this is an easy first try.
First try?
First try.
We're watching. Are you struggling?
See?
Hold on. Do you have light?
Plugs. I don't know if the jacks are high enough right now.
Why? Yeah, it came off.
Well, it's hung up.
What do you mean it's hung up? Don't mess up my wheel.
Dog. What is it? Oh.
What?
Are you sure it's high enough?
Here, you want to jack it up?
No, never mind. I think it's high enough. Here, shine like the back here.
Can you see it?
Yeah.
Is this still kind of?
I swear it's not high enough.
Is this still kind of first try?
Yeah, first try.
All right.
I swear it's not high enough.
Hold this. Here, I'll jack it up.
Wow.
Is that good?
Yeah, that's good. All right.
You want me to hold it?
Hold that light leg right there. Watch this.
Come on. Oh, perfect. Like a glove.
Like a glove.
Skirt.
First try.